my Kick channel. Today we have interesting to show you guys. What is your name?
My name is Oka.
My name is Katai.
What you're gonna do today?
Today we will make rollerblade.
Let's see how it made.
Hello everyone, my name is Oka.
And my name is Katai.
Today we will make a delicious menu.
Do you know what is the menu?
The menu is rollerblade.
Our ingredients we have jam and bread.
Our items are cutting board, roller pin, spoon, knife, plastic bag, chopstick, plate, bowl, gloves. That's it. And now the first step is to get the bread out of the package. The second step is to put the bread into the plastic bag. The third step is to use the roller pin to roll the bread to flat. The fourth step is to take it out of the plastic bag. The fifth step is to get jam and pour it to the bread. The sixth step is to roll the bread. The seventh step is to use the knife to cut the bread into small pieces. And the eighth and final step is to put the bread and use a chopstick to pierce it.